but I most definitely cannot do them without this sheet.
That's fine. Yeah, I don't expect you to.
I probably look at it like every 5 seconds. I'm like, did I write that down right? Wait, did I? I don't know.
Okay, let's just go through those answers then. I don't remember which ones we did together and which ones we didn't, so I'm just gonna say them all.
Oh no, wait, no, I get to my page.
I don't know if where's mine? I have too many papers. I need to like whole bunch them and actually put them in my binder.
Whoa, my notes are so like out of order. Like look at this. Notes continued from October 8th, and then my homework from yesterday's right here. I must have accidentally like skipped a page when I was like writing it down. Oh well.
Okay. So 27 was the cosecant of theta. 29 was cosine squared phi. 31 is cosine x. 33 is sine squared x. 30.
Oh,
Yeah,
never mind. Okay, I didn't.
We
I
did.
thought I skipped it, but
We
I
did
didn't.
4 of them.
Oh, okay. 35 is 1. 37 is tangent x. 39 is 1 plus sine y.
Wait, minus sine y.
39 is what?
1 plus sine y.
I had 1 minus sine.
I had 1.
Okay, let's do that one. 41 is the secant of beta.
Did we do that one? I got that one wrong.
Yes.
Gosh, we're doing
43 is the cosine of u plus the sine of u. 45 is sine squared x.
Did I have? Oh, I was like,
And 47 is sine squared x tangent squared x.
yeah.
Okay.
I got 30. Yeah, I got 37 and 39 wrong.
Okay.
I got 39 and 41 wrong.
So we need to do 37, 39, and 41.
Did I just what was 37? Tangent x. Oh, I just didn't take it to the next step.
Oh, yeah, I did.
For 37?
Yeah, because I got sine x over cosine x.
Oh, okay.
I just didn't.
So are
Yeah.
you good on that then?
Yeah. I just didn't simplify it enough.
Okay. So 39, I have to look at my trig identities too. I don't have them all memorized. Okay. So 39 cosine squared y over 1 minus...
And we can't see it.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Now?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Over 1 minus sine y. Okay, so how could we start that?
I changed the 1 minus sine y to cosine squared y. Like,
And we can't do that because it's not sine squared, it's just sine.
oh! No wonder I got it wrong.
What did you do, Olivia?
I made the cosine squared y 1 minus sine squared y.
Okay. So you have 1 minus sine squared y over 1 minus sine y. And then what did you do?
Can you just cancel out? And then you're left with 1 minus sine.
That's what I did, but that's not the right answer, so I messed it up.
What do you want to do?
Cancel.
We can't cancel anything because they're not multiplying. They're subtracting.
Oh.
But we can do something where it would be multiplying. We can factor the top. It is the difference of 2 squares. You guys remember factoring the difference of 2 squares?
I know we've done it before.
like anytime, you don't need to write this down, but anytime you have perfect squares, like say, 4x squared minus 1, say, those are perfect squares, right? Because I can take the square root of both. What's the square root of 4x squared?
2x.
What's the square root of 1?
1.
Then there's always a pattern. It's 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. You take the square root of both and you add them and subtract them, and it will work out that way every time. It's the difference of two squares. Is that ringing a bell? So what could I factor the top to be?
Like 1 minus sine y and 1 plus.
Yes.
I see.
And so then the 1 minus sine y will cancel, and so then you have 1 plus sine y. That one was a little tricky.
Making up. Yeah.
I think for 41, I just didn't simplify it enough.
What did you get?
I stopped at sine squared b plus cosine squared b over cosine b. Yeah. So I just didn't take it the rest of the way.
Over what?
Cosine b.
Okay, right. So once you get to that point, what could you change the top to be?
Like the sine squared could be 1 minus cosine.
What's sine squared plus cosine squared? The whole top could change
Oh,
to
1.
be 1. So it'd be 1 over cosine of beta, and
Which is
so that's
Oh, okay.
At first I was like, how did I get that? Because I didn't do that middle stuff.
Mhm.
I just skipped straight to the answer. So I was like, how did I get there? So I was like, oh, 1 equals 1.
Okay. Alright, then we are going to do 49 through 67 odd today, and I'll do again some of them on the board. Let's do 57. 57 is sine x plus cosine x squared. And for 57 through 60 it says perform the multiplication and then use the identities to simplify. Did we do that one yesterday?
What? 57? Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we already did that one. Oh, we already did examples for all of these, didn't we? We didn't do any in the 61 section.
Yeah, 57 was the last one.
Okay. Alright. Let's do 61 then. So this one says perform the addition or subtraction and then simplify. So what they're telling us is that they want us to have a common denominator.
Ugh. That's mean.
Okay, so what do we have to multiply the first one by?
1 minus cosine.
1 minus cosine x. And so we will get 1 minus cosine x over 1 plus cosine x times 1 minus cosine x. Does that look familiar?
We?
What?
Yeah.
Did you say we?
Yeah.
I took French once upon a time. It's been a while.
I'm not even in French this year.
I mean, that's an easy way to remember. And the
Yeah.
second one, we'll multiply 1 plus cosine x over 1 plus. So 1 plus cosine x over. So if I multiply out the bottom, that is a difference
Can't you
of.
just cancel? I guess then you would still have the same. Okay, don't mind. Stop listening. No, just stop listening.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. Alright, so then we'll have, what can we simplify the top to be?
Oh gosh.
One. Two.
No.
2, right?
1 plus 1 is 2. I said 1 plus 1 is 1.
1 plus 1 is 2, and negative cosine plus positive cosine would be 0. On the top.
Oh.
Right?
Yes.
Are we all seeing that?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And if I multiply out the bottom, I will get what?
1.
1 minus cosine squared x.
Yes. Which is what?
Sine. Oh, it's sine x.
Okay, and
Wait,
1
where did
over
I find this
sine is,
Wait.
I thought we had
Go back.
2 was on the top.
oh my bad.
I was like,
One
When
minus
did I change
cosine
that to
squared.
1?
I don't know.
It
Jesus.
said 2 before.
That's what I thought.
That's creepy. Use this
What
one.
happened?
Wait. Yes.
Okay.
So that would be what?
Could you still do cosecant?
Yes,
Cosine squared.
yes, 2 cosecant squared x.
Yes. Oh, George Reed.
What's the backpacks?
65 is a lot like
See what we can choose.
39. I think I'm just gonna let you guys loose on that, and then we can go over questions as you have them.
Wait, what? Do the homework.
So we're just doing all the odds
So
from
the
49
rest of the odds, yes. So we did,
to 67.
so 49 to 67, whichever ones we didn't do
Okay.
together. We did what? 57 and 61.
No.
Get excited. Get excited.
Stop.
I think I'm doing this wrong. Should I change, for 49, should I change secant squared minus 1 to tangent squared?
That's what I did.
Yes.
Okay.
And the bottom one. Okay.
Yeah. Secant.
So is that it? That's all you can do?
Or actually, you might want to just do it like we did
Oh, so you can cancel that.
the 1, yeah, and factor it.
So like this.
Yeah, because they tell you to factor in that section.
So
actually.
then it's just secant x plus 1? Yeah.
Yes.